Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to use Anymail Finder. So this is particularly useful for individuals who want to go ahead and input a company.com domain name and then also find all their emails. So make sure to stick around just because this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point. And so let's go ahead and get started. Now, when you first go into Anymail Finder, you do have to purchase some credits. They do give you a free trial, but the credits are about like $15 per month. Now, how it works is that you could actually start your search. You can do a person search. You can do a LinkedIn URL search. You can do a company search as well. So what I'll do just for this demonstration purposes is that I'll just input a company URL here and then click on search. So what it's doing right now is that it's simply finding URLs or email addresses tied to this email over here. So one result has been found for Swim University. And so with Anymail Finder, the way to actually use it is to connect it via APIs. The way I've been using it is to actually connect it to make.com. And by going on make.com, I can actually go ahead and use Anymail Finder to actually extract emails from companies, persons, URLs. And so it's really useful as far as actually trying to get emails from company names. But essentially, if you're familiar with APIs, you can use it to connect it with Zapier or make.com. You can even do a bulk search as well. So if you have a list, you can actually upload that list and it can find the emails from that list as well. But even so, this is just a brief overview on how to use Anymail Finder. If you know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.